Today on the repair list is this type bar right here. It's missing. It was missing when I got it. And to come off is this nickel plated type bar shield. 2 screws in the front and 2 in the back. And then there's one up towards the top up here. And that holds the type bar rest in place. So we'll get these off. Okay. So that comes off. Next thing to come off is the little tin piece that holds the typewriter ribbon. Trying to be careful not to get the right size screwdriver so you don't scratch the paint in there. Sometimes you'll have to really look for that screw because it's under a bit of dirt and it's well disguised. All right, so now we have this off. Here's the rest, so that'll come off. And that has a shouldered little bolt, so be careful of that. These are supposed to be loose, so if you go to put them back and it's loose, that's how it's supposed to be. It needs a little flexibility. This might be a spot for penetrating oil. Yes, it is. So I'm going to stop the video for a little while, put some penetrating oil on it, and we'll continue in just a minute. These screws are loose now. Well, let's go ahead and take those off. Okay, now all these type bars are going to get loose here. All right, so now that these pieces in here are out, the type bars are loose and you can move them around quite a bit. And you can see all the dirt and grime in here. It's pretty dirty. So this is the one we want to take out. It's free, it's ready to go. So the key lever and the type bar meet right down here. And where they meet, there's a little clevis looking thing that you just need to, and I'll show that in more detail, take that off. And there is the type bar without the slug. Let's see here. So this hooks in right here, and what you have to do to get it on and off, there's this part that moves. So if I can get the angle just right, and you can see it, see how that opens up? So you open that up and you slide the type bar as it's locked in, you slide it out this way and it comes right out. And this has spring pressure and it'll close up again. So you just open it up.